Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Boss V-Plow off of one of these Kubota RTV units. So yeah, basically just lift the blade up here. Got the thing going out the window. Lift it up. Grab a piece of wood to put under the frame here. There, and then put it into float mode. Disconnect our wires. And then this little brass piece here, see how the arrow's pointing that way? Pull it back that way. Lift up your little red thing, which should be out of the way when this comes over. Pull the pin, go over the other side. Flip this back. It'll fall forward. And then you can just back out. Put your covers back on, keep any debris out. So drive up to the unit, make sure the bracket here is in the cradle on both sides. And then we're going to tip this, this unit here forward, but I'm going to show you how it actually works. It hits these springs right here, spring here and spring here, which moves out of the way and lets the pin come in. First thing you got to do is move these forward. The forward position, so the arrow's pointing in. And then when you lift it up, the spring will move out of the way and the pin will slide in. See that? The pin over there, the silver one slid in, so did this one. And then just hook up your wires. Oh yeah, one other side note with these units, sometimes they put the connector for your controller right here and it's literally right in the way of your knees. Like usually when you're driving you want to have your knee all the way over. So you can't put it anywhere in this area. The dealer put it, the thing right here, but I ended up moving it. So you can run the wire up behind all this paneling here, it's easy to remove. Then I just modified the Boss plow bracket to go right here. And then it's nice because then the controller can sit on the dash and then you can use it in your right hand, steer and shift, or you can use it in your left hand if you want over here, and then it's just up quickly out of the way if you don't want it. It comes with a little bracket, you can hang the controller, but whatever. And then when you don't want to use it in the spring, summer, fall, you can just unplug it right here, put your cap on, and you can either leave it there if you want or throw it under the seat. So hopefully that helps out some people that have this setup. Thanks for watching.